In this video, I would like to show you how to make a tube in both Fusion 360 and Shapr. I will show you how to sweep the tube so that it has a bend and then slice the tube in half to make it easier 3D printing. Let's start with Shapr. So if I go to Sketch, I just do a line here and then maybe a line there, and an arc. Okay, so that's the path. Well, now I need to draw the shape. Let's go to Sketch and draw a circle. Move that up so that it's intersecting. I go to Tools, Sweep, select that shape there. There. And now we already know that's going to be quite difficult when it comes to 3D printing. And that's where the real challenge is as well. There are different ways you could do this. You could do it in 3 parts and then glue it together. Make one part fit into another part and make it in 3 parts. But you still got this problem here of making that. One way of doing it is to slice the whole thing in half. So I've already drawn it on this green line. So if I take that, slice it up, so we're going to split the body. Body I want is that. And the plane, press done. And so now I've actually got this part here and that part, and then I can either make a little overlapping grid here, or I can make a ring to slide it down to hold everything together. I can just glue it together or tape it together, but this allows you then to make things a bit simpler. And Fusion in this case is actually even easier, because you can simply draw any shape you want, and then I can from that finish the sketch, create pipe, click that, you can see, turn it into a hollow pipe. Split that body with that, and of course there. And that's how you would do pipes.